Cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it. Like
as you guys can see, there is one more box left. It is the largest box that we have that have 3 shoes in here. All right. And that one is already open. When I opened this, it was already open. But yeah. Hey, it's your gal Cutie back in the house, baby. Back with another unboxing video or shoe review. So I'm just gonna randomly pick one of these, and I just feel like opening maybe the one that's open or the one in the back. Let's go for the one that's open. These babies feel like, you know, it didn't fit. But yeah, let's open these ones. Wow. I wonder what it is. Because I don't remember. Oh, wow. Now I remember what I bought. It was, oh gosh. You know, at first I wanted to return them after I saw that there was a different one. Like a different color that they just put out like 2 weeks ago, I believe. Or 2.5 weeks ago. And I was like, oh man, I already ordered this before my birthday. And wow. Oh, wow. Let me pull both of them out of, you know, this box. These look dope. There is no way I'm gonna return these because there is no way. There's no freaking way. How in the world these look cool. I'm definitely gonna keep these. These are a keeper, okay? I just need to try them on and see if it fits well because these babies are coming home. Well, it's already home, but you know, going in the closet. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is a vision. This is a futuristic style. This is, just look at the details. I'm gonna show you guys more about these details because they are given. When I tell you they are given, they are hella given, more than the other shoes I actually you know, seen and open, you know, unboxing. Because I feel like, you know, these gave me more of a style, like something that's different than everybody else's shoes, because I want something unique. This, I don't just get something because of its color or because the sizing is really good. It's not just about the sizing too. It's just like how the quality is, and I feel like these quality just is just given. You know, is giving that, you know, the best in the West, baby. Oh my god, just give it a little turn. Lord have mercy, it's the same one, but it looks like, you know, I don't know what that actually bugged me about. I mean, bugged me a little bit, but yeah, let me show you guys more of it. Let me introduce you guys to the Air Adjust Force 2023. Look at those little dots details. Wow. I never seen something this so cool. I'm like a freaking child. Wow. Just look at that. Actually, that kind of bugged me when I first saw it. I was like, I didn't know those little details were on there. But wow. Wow. That's amazing. And just to inform you guys, these are removable, like these straps. And then, wow, oh my god. Oh my god. You got 2 different styles you can put on these babies. So these are definitely coming home with me. I just tried it on, and it's wow. It's a wow. It's a wow. Let's go, Nike. Let's go. They absolutely fit amazing. It's the only thing is when I have like these strap-on shoes, it is kind of like a little tighter, but this is amazing. This is beautiful.